Welcome! In this lesson, we will connect a rate function to its accumulation function and use that connection to understand concavity and inflection points. We will use a simple rate function with a single peak. The top graph shows the rate, and the bottom graph shows the accumulation a of x, defined as the integral from 0 to x of the rate. On the right, we will build a table of values for a of x. The rate is a simple triangle. It rises linearly to a single peak at x equals 2, then falls linearly back to 0 at x equals 4. I will also draw vertical walls so you can visually connect the same x values on both graphs. Now we construct the accumulation function a of x. Each value in the table is the area under the rate curve from 0 to x. We will plot each point from the table, one at a time, then connect them. At x equals 0, the area is 0. At x equals 1, the area is 1. At x equals 2, the area is 4. At x equals 3, the area is 7. At x equals 4, the area is 8. Now we connect the points to see the accumulation curve. Now, let's connect the two graphs. From x equals 0 to x equals 2, the rate is increasing. That makes the accumulation curve concave up. After x equals 2, the rate is decreasing. That makes the accumulation curve concave down. The change in concavity happens right below the peak of the rate. That point is an inflection point of the accumulation function. So the key idea is this. The accumulation graph bends upward when the rate is rising and bends downward when the rate is falling. The inflection point happens right under the peak of the rate. Thanks for watching.